Hello, my friend. I have a problem. I want to improve my English speaking skills, but I have no partner to practice with and no time for classes. I feel shy and think, how can I speak English alone? It's strange to talk to myself. I also worry about making mistakes and sounding silly. What can I do to practice speaking English confidently at home without a teacher or friend?
Welcome, my friend, I'm so happy you're here. Today, I'll share a secret, how to speak English alone at home. Yes, alone. You heard me right. You don't need a partner. I've heard people say, if I had a lot of time, I'd become fluent quickly. Many learners think, how can I speak English if I have no one to talk to? I understand. I was the same. I wanted to speak fluently, but I felt shy. I had no friends to practice with. So, I talked to myself. It felt strange, a little silly, and sometimes funny. But guess what? Speaking English alone at home works. What if you could do the same? What if you could practice speaking English every day without a classroom or tutor? So, get a drink, make yourself comfortable, and listen carefully. First, stop waiting for someone to talk to. You don't need a partner. You don't need someone who speaks English perfectly. And you definitely don't need to move to a country where people speak English. All you need is you. Just your voice and being okay with sounding a little funny at first. That's how I started. I remember one day I stood in front of the mirror and said, "Hi, my name is Lily. I like coffee." That was it. That was my big start. It was short and a bit awkward, and I laughed at myself right after. But I kept doing it. Every day I added a little more. I started saying what I was doing. Like, I am brushing my teeth. I am making tea. I am sitting on the bed. I feel sleepy. I want to watch a movie. Simple, right? Yes. But that's the magic. That's where you start to feel more confident.
So tip 1, start small. Asterisk stand in front of a mirror. Say easy sentences. Hello. My name is, I like coffee. Today is sunny. It feels funny at first, but it works. Babies learn this way. Simple words, every day. No grammar rules. No long lists of words, just simple sentences repeated every day. That's what you need to create for yourself at home. Here's what helped me a lot. I turned my everyday life into an English class. Let me tell you, I started talking to myself all the time. If I'm cooking, I'd say, I'm cutting tomatoes. I like the smell of garlic. If I looked at the window, I'd say, wow, it's cloudy today. Maybe it will rain, or I'd talk about my day. Today I felt lazy, but now I want to do things. So, I'm making my English video. See what I'm doing? I'm turning normal thoughts into English sentences, and trust me, I didn't use hard words. I didn't worry about grammar at the start. I just wanted to speak. And that's something I want you to understand. Don't try to be perfect with grammar. Try to speak. You will fix your grammar as you learn more. But if you don't speak, you won't get better. Tip 2. Talk about your day. Speak while you do things. I am cooking pasta. I feel tired. I want to sleep. No grammar rules. Just speak. Grammar comes later. One good habit I made is something I call the English thinking walk. Every evening, I would go for a short walk around my house and talk to myself in English. Not loudly, of course. Sometimes I just whispered. Sometimes I moved my lips without making a sound. But I kept making English sentences in my head, and it changed everything. I started feeling comfortable with English. It became like a friend, not a scary school subject. Not something that would judge me. Just a friend I talk to every day. Now, let's talk about shadowing. Have you heard of it? Shadowing is like copying someone's voice at the same time they are speaking. You watch a video, maybe a scene from a movie or an interview on YouTube, and you repeat what they say almost at the same time. You copy how they say it, their style when they pause. It's like being their shadow. This is very helpful because you start to sound like native speakers without trying too hard. You learn how natural English feels, and once you feel it, you can speak it. I used to shadow my favorite English video makers. I would listen to them, stop the video after each sentence, and say it out loud. Sometimes I would even record myself and compare. It was fun, and honestly, sometimes it was funny too. But it helped me train my mouth, my ears, and my brain to work together. So tip 3. Copy others' shadowing. Listen to English videos, pause and repeat what they say. Copy their voice like a shadow. Try it with movies or YouTube. It's fun. Now, let's talk about one more good method, creating your own English diary, but spoken, yes, a spoken diary. Every night, I would take my phone, open the voice recorder, and talk for 2 or 3 minutes in English. I would talk about my day, how I felt, what I ate, what made me happy, and what made me sad. And I never showed it to anyone. It was just for me, my English voice. And over time, I saw how my confidence grew. So tip 4, use your phone, * record your voice for 1 minute. Say, today I woke up early. I ate eggs for breakfast. Say whatever you feel like and listen back. You'll improve slowly. There's also a fun idea. You can try using your phone, pretend phone calls. I used to pretend I was on a phone call with a friend. I would walk around the room and say things like, "Hey, how are you? Oh, really? That's amazing. I watched a movie last night. It was so good. Okay, talk to you later. Bye." It sounds silly, but it's great for learning to speak smoothly. You're practicing real conversation, the kind that happens in life. Tip 6. Pretend, * imagine you're in a restaurant. Say, "I want pizza, please. How much is this?" No one is watching. Be silly. It's practice. Now, let's be honest. You might feel shy doing all this. You might feel strange talking to yourself, but please remember this, you are not crazy. You are learning and growing. Every big thing starts small. And speaking English at home is the most helpful small habit you can build. No one is watching you. No one is judging you. Use that privacy to help you build your voice. And if you ever feel stuck, just say this to yourself, "I don't need to be perfect. I just need to keep going," because speaking well comes from doing it regularly, not just from being talented. Encouragement, feeling shy. It's okay. Even 5 minutes a day helps. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. Just speak, speak, speak. One day, you'll wake up thinking in English. Let me tell you something personal. The reason I learned to speak English wasn't because I was smart. It wasn't because I had time. It was because I did it regularly with my little time. If I skip practice even one day, the next day I feel fear. I'll make mistakes. To avoid this, I practice every single day. Even 5 minutes helps. I didn't study grammar books 4 hours. I didn't try to learn many new words every day. I just spoke again and again. Note, don't think, if you don't have hours, you won't practice. That's a mistake. Fluency comes from daily effort, not perfect conditions. So now, my dear friend, here's what I want you to do after watching this video. Choose one way and start today. Talk to yourself in the mirror. Record your voice. Pretend you're calling someone. It doesn't matter what you choose, just do it. Because your room, your home, your space, can become your own English speaking studio. And don't forget to be happy about your small wins. When you make your first sentence without thinking in your own language first, smile. When you speak for 1 full minute without stopping, do a little dance. When you hear yourself sounding natural, say, "Yes, I'm getting better. I have more to share, but let me stop here." So, not to jetpack you with lots of information. To push yourself, I encourage you to start a 7-day speaking challenge. Day 1. Introduce yourself in English for 1 minute. Day 2. Describe what you ate for breakfast. Day 3. Talk about your favorite memory from when you were a child. Keep going until the 7th day. By day 7, you will have spoken for more than an hour in total, and that's a big step. Even though you're practicing alone, You can still find online voice communities and chat rooms where people practice languages using only voice. Listen, speak, laugh, and learn from real people, but from the comfort of your home. I hope this helps someone who's listening to me. I hope you'll find value in this video. Try one tip today. Tell me in the comments, which tip will you try? Smash the like button if this helps. Subscribe for more easy English tips. Love you all and see you next time.